Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to close responsive applications and pages on your computer, or applications that are frozen on your computer. I will show you how to achieve this. First, I will show you a few applications running on my computer. Notepad and Google Chrome. To close an application, right click, select Task Manager, and this will be the application to close any current running applications on your system. Another way to find Task Manager is to right click and select Task Manager. Give it a few seconds, and here is a list of the different running applications on your computer. To close an application, select, right click, and there are two ways to do this. You can go on a list and select End Task, or select End Task over here. So I'm gonna close Notepad. Now, Notepad has been removed from the running applications on the system. And you can see it's been removed from the taskbar as well. Another way to close an running application is through the command prompt. Search, type command prompt. I'm going to run as administrator, but you don't have to. Let me make this bigger so it's clear. And type in this command exactly how I type it. I'm going to close Chrome. After you finish, make sure it's correct and press enter. And now Google Chrome has been closed. So I'm going to close this, and it's not running no more. Now, let's just say that your system is unresponsive. You can use one of the following options. So you can press Ctrl, Alt, Delete keys on your keyboard, and you get this list. And you can go to Task Manager this way. Or you can select these keys: Control, Shift, Escape, and I'll bring it into Task Manager right away. Let me close that. This is how you close a frozen application on your computer system. Like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.